The woman bit a green grape with her teeth. The dog bit the cat's tail. The man bit into the hamburger. The man took a bite of the hamburger. The woman bit the leg of her glasses with her teeth. The dog bit the toy rope. The cat bit the edge of the book. The dog bit the man's hand. The woman bit the donut with her teeth. The woman took a bite of the donut with her teeth. The apple bit the man's finger. The vampire bit the woman's neck. The puppy bit the toy. The businessman bit into his laptop. The young boy bit into a salad burger. The man bit an old vinyl record with his teeth. The man bit his smartphone with his teeth. The old woman bit into the watermelon. The woman bit her long hair with her teeth. The young boy bit into a fresh raw carrot. The woman bit a cereal bar with her teeth. The vampire bit the woman's neck. The woman was terrified and scared. The dog bit the man's jeans. The puppy bit a pillow. The teenage girl bit her fingernails. The woman bit the end of the pen. She was nervous. The stressed businessman bit the cables at his office. The angry businesswoman bit the phone cord. The teeth bit the man's finger. The woman bit her red tongue with her white teeth. The woman stared out of the window and bit her fingernails. The woman bit the end of her paintbrush. The woman bit into the green apple.